Hi, everybody. Mr. Burns here. Sorry that I'm gone today. I have some work for you to do, and it's pretty easy. It's mostly just finishing this podcast that first hour that you started yesterday, and then sixth hour you're going to be starting listening to a podcast today. So if you go into the course page in Schoology, which you must already be on if you're listening to this video, you're going to see the assignment, which you've clicked on so that you can listen to this YouTube video. Attached to that calendar is also going to be a document or link to a Google Doc that has some information that I'd like you to be recording while you're listening to the podcast. And ideally, information is gonna end up in your notes. So ideally you're writing this into your notebook. If you'd like to copy it, type it out, and then you want to print out a copy for yourself and put those in your notes, you can do that as well. But everybody needs to go to this case study of the Hurricane Katrina in Memorial Hospital. And you're going to be listening to about the first 35 minutes or so of this podcast. You click on listen right down here, and you're going to hear them describe what happened following Hurricane Katrina at Memorial Medical Center. Essentially, as you're listening, the first 6-8 minutes or so, they're kind of setting up what triage is, giving you some background information. And then they begin explaining what exactly happened in this hospital. And as you listen, the first few minutes of the audio, from about 8.5 minutes to about 11.5 minutes, you're mostly listening to what the doctors did in the first 2 days. And those decisions were very different than what happened in the following couple of days after that. And the notes are divided up into those two sections. So in the first section, you're kind of recording what happened in the first 2 days, the decisions that were made with the patients that got stranded at the hospital, weren't unable to be rescued right away. And then looking at how those decisions changed as the situation changed after that. For now, your main goal is to get a good set of summarizing notes. So you've got kind of the facts of the case, as well as a list of some of the actions that were taken so that we can apply our approaches to bioethics to them and kind of make decisions about whether or not those were appropriate actions based upon the facts that the people had at the time. So anyway, just make sure you've got a good complete set of notes on this, and we'll be using this in a discussion when we see each other next. All right. I hope you have a good day. See you guys soon.